Welcome, YouTubers. We're here today to show you how to tell real silver from fake silver using the specific gravity test. And for the sake of this test, we're going to use some silver pandas today. Here is a 2006 purchased off eBay. You'll notice how close the symbols are to the edge, almost like they were stamped bleeding off the edge. That really kind of caught my eye. And here is a 2011. Both these were purchased from the same gentleman, and I told him I would do a video with these tests so you could see how to test coins for yourself. There you can see it's actually stamped in the other direction. There's almost too much room between the symbols and the edge of the coin on the 2011. And of course you need a control. That's always helpful. So here is a 2014 I purchased from a reputable dealer, which has a glossy finish and a couple scratches from doing these tests. So how do we do the specific gravity test? First things first, to do the specific gravity test, you need to weigh the coin dry. Just put the coin, I'm gonna measure it in grams. You can also measure it in ounces. You can measure it in anything, provided you do all the tests using the same measurement. So there's our test. There's our control coin. That is 31.3. It should be a little lighter than that, but 31.3 is close. 31.2 would be pretty optimal. 31.3 is very close. That's our control coin. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Here is our 2006. 30.9. So as you can see, we're 3 to 4 tenths of a gram off already. That is disturbing. Now let's try our 2011. .00. Okay, so not only are they both underweight, the 2006 and the 2011, the stamps don't look quite right. So we're going to have some fun with these. Okay, next part of the test, I have just a plastic cup, cut off water bottle filled with water. You put it on the scale, you reset the scale so it weighs in at 0, and now we can submerge our coins and see how much they weigh when submerged in water. Okay, so the first coin we are going to test is our control coin, our 2014 Silver Panda. So I'm going to start the scale up, reset it at 0. Now you're going to have to take my word for the reading here, because I can't submerge the coin and hold the camera up to the scale at the same time. So we're going to submerge the coin just so it's completely submerged and not touching the edges. And we're going to do one more reading. That first one was about 3. And there we go. Our reading was 3.0. Now, in order to calculate specific gravity, what we do is we go to our calculator and we take the weight, which was 31.3, the dry weight, and now we divide that by 3.0, which is the submerged weight, and we come up with 10.43. Very close. Again, the proper numeric value for silver specific density would be 10.49. So what we have here is, this is a 2014 Silver Panda, and it is gorgeous. Okay, next up we have our 2006. We're going to set our scale. We're going to submerge the coin. And we get 4.4.3. We'll go with 4.4. Now the original weight on that coin, the dry weight, was 30.9 grams. Divided by 4.4 equals 7.02. Not even close to the needed 10.49 for it to be pure silver. So I am sorry to say, this 2006, with the stamping oh so close to the edge, is not pure silver. Last but not least, we're going to test our 2011. We got the string around it. We're going to submerge it in water. And once again, we get a reading of 4.4. So we're going to take our scale, and we're going to take our calculator. And in this one, the weight was 31 grams divided by 4.4. And what does that tell us? 7.04. Still miles off, not pure silver. So there you have it. As similar as all these coins look, the 2006 and the 2011 were both counterfeit coins. Now if you look at them both next to each other, you can see the stamping at the top. You know something isn't quite right with that. And of course our control coin on the bottom. Thank you very much to the respectable dealer who sold me that one. And until next time, thanks for watching.